Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? All right, guys. Now came back to my garden, and this is what I come back to. I come back to the leaf them as naturally torn, get scorched up. Definitely get scorched up. But if you notice one thing though, there's some of the leaves scorched up and some of the leaves still green. So that kind of gives me an indication that the pumpkin them still have life in them. You see what I'm saying? Even though some of the leaf is scorched up like this, we still able to see green leaves. So that means there's still life in the pumpkin. So that's a good idea. That's a good thing right there. So yes, as you see, this is a nice big round pumpkin, and as you can see, the leaf them is just dry. But on the same vines, look at this, we have a nice round one here too. But look what's going on here. We have green leaves still. So that's the good thing about this. Even down here we have a, you see, but look, we still have green leaf coming there. So the reason why I wouldn't harvest these is because I still seeing life in the pumpkin. Meaning, if there's green leaf in the pumpkin, that indicate that the root did not get damaged. So we still have a nice big one here. Yeah, that means the root did not get damaged. Look, a nice one here again. Look, a nice one here. You see, they're getting mature, but they're not mature yet. You see, they're still sucking nutrients from the plants. So if the plants, all the plants, they dry down, I would harvest them. But the reason why I wouldn't harvest them, I'm still seeing green leaf. And if there's green leaf, that means there's life in the plant. So I'm just gonna allow them for a few more days, because yes, the frost is coming. The frost, oh man, these pumpkins solid. The frost is coming. There's a next one there. Yes guys, so this is just an update on my pumpkin. It's indicate to me that the pumpkin is still growing, and I don't need to harvest them. I could allow them, give them another week, at least another week in the ground, and another week in the ground, they might get even more mature, which they mightn't be fully mature, but at least there's gonna be a little more time for them. So as we can see, we see flowers coming up. So this indicates to me that the plants still have life. Okay, so even though the frost came down and did so bad, it shows me that yes, you could leave them because there's life still in the pumpkin. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.